Life is full of rejections. We face romantic heartbreaks, career setbacks, and personal disappointments. These experiences can be painful and overwhelming. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, offers a powerful toolkit to navigate these challenges. Stoicism teaches us to manage our emotions and find strength in adversity. Stoicism emphasizes our perception of events. It's not the event itself, but our reaction that truly matters. By controlling our thoughts and judgments, we can control our emotional responses. This allows us to face rejection with resilience and grace. One of the core principles of Stoicism is the dichotomy of control. This ancient philosophy teaches us to distinguish between what we can influence and what lies beyond our reach. This principle states that some things are within our control, while others are not. By understanding this, we can better navigate life's challenges and uncertainties. We control our thoughts, judgments, and actions. These internal elements are where our true power lies, and focusing on them can lead to personal growth and resilience. We cannot control external events like rejection or heartbreak. These are inevitable parts of life that we must learn to accept with grace and understanding. Trying to control the uncontrollable leads to frustration and anxiety. This futile effort drains our energy and prevents us from living fully in the present moment. Instead, Stoicism encourages us to accept what we cannot change. By embracing this mindset, we can find tranquility and strength in the face of adversity. Focus your energy on what you can control, your reactions and responses. This shift in perspective empowers us to handle life's ups and downs with composure and clarity. This acceptance brings a sense of peace and allows us to move forward. By letting go of what we cannot change, we open ourselves to new possibilities and a more fulfilling life. Mindfulness is a powerful Stoic practice for dealing with rejection. It teaches us to embrace the present moment fully, without letting the shadows of the past or the uncertainties of the future cloud our minds. When we focus on the present moment, we avoid dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. This focus allows us to experience life as it is, rather than through the lens of our anxieties and regrets. Ruminating on past rejections amplifies pain. It keeps us trapped in a cycle of negative emotions, preventing us from moving forward and finding peace. Anxiety about future possibilities creates unnecessary suffering. It fills our minds with what-ifs and worst-case scenarios, making it hard to enjoy the present. By practicing mindfulness, we ground ourselves in the present. This grounding helps us to see things more clearly and respond to situations with a calm and balanced mind. Pay attention to your breath, your senses, and the sensations in your body. Notice the rhythm of your breathing and how it connects you to the present moment and the world around you. Engage with your environment fully, feeling the textures, hearing the sounds, and seeing the beauty in the details. This practice helps calm the mind and reduces the sting of rejection. It allows us to let go of the emotional weight and see things from a new perspective. It allows us to approach the situation with clarity and perspective. By being present, we can handle life's challenges with grace and resilience, finding peace in the art of now. Reframing, finding opportunity in rejection. Stoicism teaches us to reframe negative experiences. It encourages us to see beyond the immediate pain and discomfort. Instead of viewing rejection as a failure, see it as an opportunity for growth. Each rejection is a chance to learn something new about ourselves and our approach. Every rejection offers a lesson. It can teach us about our strengths and weaknesses and guide us towards improvement. It provides feedback and helps us refine our approach. By understanding why we were rejected, we can make necessary adjustments and come back stronger. When facing rejection, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Reflect on the experience and identify areas for growth. How can I use this experience to improve? Use the insights gained to enhance your skills and strategies. Reframing rejection as a stepping stone empowers us to move forward with resilience and determination. It builds our character and fortifies our resolve. It transforms a painful experience into a catalyst for positive change. Embrace rejection, learn from it, and let it propel you towards success. Resilience, bouncing back from disappointment. Resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity, is crucial for navigating life's challenges. Stoicism fosters resilience by teaching us to accept what we cannot control and focus on our reactions. This mindset builds inner strength and allows us to overcome obstacles. When we encounter rejection, it's easy to feel defeated. However, Stoicism reminds us that setbacks are temporary. They do not define us. By practicing Stoic principles, we develop the resilience needed to overcome these challenges and emerge stronger. Inner peace, the ultimate goal of Stoicism. Ultimately, Stoicism aims to cultivate inner peace. By accepting what we cannot control, focusing on the present moment, and reframing negative experiences, we find tranquility amidst life's storms. This inner peace allows us to approach rejection with clarity and composure. Stoicism doesn't promise to eliminate challenges or negative emotions. It provides the tools to navigate these experiences with grace and resilience. This leads to a life filled with greater peace, contentment, and fulfillment. Embrace Stoicism, a path to emotional well-being. In a world filled with rejection and disappointment, Stoicism offers a powerful and timeless philosophy for navigating life's emotional challenges. By embracing Stoic principles, we develop resilience, find inner peace, and navigate rejection with grace and wisdom. Remember, it's not the rejection itself, but our reaction to it that truly matters in the end. For more insights into Stoicism and its practical applications, subscribe to the Daily Stoic YouTube channel today. Join us on this journey of self-discovery, personal growth, and emotional well-being.